Hello friends, do you know everything about the planet on which you live? It is a matter of thought that when a human being goes around the solar system, he must know everything about his Earth. If it is not so, friends, we live on this planet and we do not know much about it. In this video, we will cover many of the things that we are going to tell you about the Earth today. You may not even know about them. So let's start some unknown facts about the Earth. The first fact about the increasing days of the Earth is that we will tell you that the days on the Earth are continuously increasing. You know that about 650 million years ago, there used to be only 21.9 hours in a day. Gradually, the days are continuously increasing, and this does not happen only in the wind. There is a scientific reason behind this. Let us tell you that it is generated by the gravity of the moon and the sun. Because of Persian tide, every year 1.7 milliseconds are added to the time of one day on Earth, and in this way, today after many years, the day on Earth is of 24 hours. And it is not that only the days are increasing on Earth. There are some natural events due to which the time of one day has also decreased, like the earthquake in Japan in 2011 reduced the time of one day by 1.8 microseconds. So what you think that time is only moving forward? It is not necessary that we have pushed time backwards as well. But just think, if a day was of 21 hours, then how much less would be the working hours at that time? And if the days are increasing every year, then how much more will be the working hours in the coming time? I am getting dizzy thinking that you know that about 300 million years ago there used to be no country on Earth, and there used to be a complete supercontinent which scientists named as Pangaea. Means that 370 million years ago the whole world was just one world and was not divided into many countries in which everyone lived in a joint family, and then gradually the houses were divided and the Earth became small. And as you know, after the partition, people were not found everywhere. Just think, if there was someone in the world now, then instead of our channel Indian, there were only humans, how different Navdunya would have been. The Earth is not round. First of all, let us tell you that there are two types of people here. First, those who think that the Earth is round, and second, those who think that it is not round. But the third type of people also think and know that the Earth is round. We had studied in school about the appointment of the shape of the Earth and about the big countries like North and South Pole. You know about it. Our world is also increasing continuously. Scientists have claimed that it is increasing continuously, and this is not a common thing, but in the next 100 million years it will happen. It will become hot and bright, due to which all the oceans of the Earth will dry up. Now gradually the greenhouse effect will also end from the Earth, and here I tell you that you start feeling hot at 40 degrees Celsius, whereas after many years from now, due to the rising sun, the temperature of the Earth is expected to reach 4 degrees Celsius, and in this case life on this planet will be destroyed and our Earth will turn into a hot ball. Earth is the only planet to live life. Friends, you must be thinking, what is the big deal in this? Everyone knows that Earth is the only planet where life is possible. If you should tell this to Elon Musk, who sees life on Mars. Even though we have discovered some evidence of water and organic molecules on Mars and the building blocks of life on Saturn's moon Titan, and scientists have also speculated about the possible existence of China under the yellow crust on Jupiter's moon Europa and Saturn's moon Titan film. But despite all this, the Earth is the only place where life was actually discovered. So we should respect this planet because in such a big solar system, no solid evidence has been found till date. Till now we all believe that gravity is respected everywhere, but you will be surprised to know that there is a place where the gravity is 0.05 times less than the gravitational force on the Earth. That means there is a place on the Earth itself where you can feel like climbing the moon. Till date, you must have known only 5 oceans, which include the Pacific, Atlantic, and Ocean. But apart from these, there is another ocean which is so big that if all these 5 oceans are combined, then they cannot be compared. There is no name for it inside because it is buried under the surface of the Earth. This temple was discovered where we stood. With the water coming out of a rock of war, it was found that it was made of water, and it was only scientists say that the ocean is about 300 million years old, and inside it, not ordinary but different kinds of creatures reside. Friends, when astronauts were in space, they saw the Earth with their eyes for the first time and called our home the blue planet. And it is not surprising. 70% of our planet is covered by oceans. The top 30% is land, which is above the sea level. But do you know that only 3% of the Earth's water is fresh? The rest 97% is salty water, that is, marine. Out of that 3%, more than 2% is associated with ice sheets and glaciers. Less than 1% of fresh water is found in lakes and rivers. Out of the water on the entire Earth, only 1% of water is available for us to drink, which quenches the thirst of more than 700 billion people, and this is not just the water of the entire Earth.